Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and you can see it's raining and the scene is just so pleasing that I can't even explain. I just love thunderstorm. I know that you will find me crazy to a girl who loves thunderstorm, but I really like thunderstorm but not rain, because whenever I get out in rain to dance, it stops and I just hate that feeling. So you can see the scene from ninth floor, and I am filming this video from my mobile phone, not mine but my mother's. So I'm gonna upload this as soon as possible. And you can see the road is all wet, and this is a marriage lawn. You can see a scene. It's so beautiful, wet grass, walking in it, playing football in the mud is really awesome. I'm not really sporty, so I don't like playing, you can say, football. I'll never even kick the ball, so sports is not my cup of tea or even beer. So this is all just too beautiful. It was just brief, you can say, a log types, and this scene is just